Hi, my name is Peggy McKee and I am the medical sales recruiter. And today I want to talk about one specific position that we recruit for often, which is the field service engineer. The field service engineer typically is the person who goes in to the hospital or laboratory and fixes the equipment when it doesn't work well. Now, they're not the technical application specialists. The difference is they work on the equipment. They look at the circuit board, the pneumatics, those type of things. The technical applications person actually looks at the chemistries or the assays or whatever it is that you're actually trying to run in the laboratory. So the field service engineer, typically this position has a lot of travel. Unless you're with a really large company like a Bayer or Roche, Abbott, Siemens, one of those companies. If you're with a smaller company where you cover a state or two, you can actually be out overnight, maybe 2 to 3 nights a week. And I have one client that you're actually out 4 nights a week. And so it's a lot of travel, it's very difficult. Very physically taxing job, but it's extremely rewarding because one, you're helping people get their labs up and running and reporting out the results that they need to report out. Two, you're assisting your client company because the field service engineer actually is the face of the company when the equipment isn't working well. And it can actually make a difference in how a company will look at bids based on how the service would be provided and where from. In fact, some big customers can actually dictate that we will have a field service engineer that's within 60 miles of our locality. So the field service engineer, very important position, typically reports to a service manager who reports to the customer service manager or the customer support arena. Typically those report to the VP of Sales and Marketing. Great position, lots of travel, different things to do every day. They usually like someone who has a BMET background, maybe from the Department of Defense, a BMET, or someone who's worked in the laboratory and is extremely proficient technically. So if you have that background, please send us your resume at resumes@phcconsulting.com. Again, resumes@phcconsulting.com. We'd love to talk to you about your opportunity and how you can participate within a company as a field service engineer.